Logan and Marley are going to show you the wind-up pirate ship and the pull-back car and train. So each of these books, I don't think that you wound it far enough, bud. Try it again. So each of these books tell a story, and then the story continues, and they have at least 3 tracks on them. Okay, what do you look for to start the pirate ship? You look for the start?
Yeah.
Okay. There it goes. Mars, you gotta move your feet. Oh, I don't think that it's on there all the way. There it is. Oh, running out of juice. Ah, we're gonna make it. So that's the pirate ship. Can you show me the busy car? And so same thing. This one has a storybook as well. Story that goes in the book. Whoa.
It goes.
The pullbacks are definitely easier for the smaller kids. Logan just turned 4 in September. And Marley's 19 months.
Exit. Here's the exit.
All right, what about the train? Let's move the train book over.
Your train.
Okay, show us the train. What is that the train is going to go on?
Track.
It's going to go on the track, right? By what? What are you in?
Zoo.
You're in the zoo.
Yeah.
Oh, derailment.
How to do that?
I don't know.
I wasn't me. The Mars.
Whoa, that's cruising, huh?
Yeah. Lined it up
Wow, fun. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the books.